Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and from you seeing the title is a Sizzla, but we never listened to the Sizzla year before. It's with Rihanna, so you don't know cuss me because as you know can see me no put up no video in a good while, and I apologize sincerely for that. But you don't know it already. Mom life, talk life. I was busy, so I'm trying to put out a video so you guys have something to watch because you don't see me from when, but me there same way, see me. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play.
Where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way? What sort of things they've been telling you? I got to stop them from compelling you, girl. They just won't stop me from getting you. Give me a try, 'cause
Me no know what to say. I honestly, me no know. When yo Sizzla voice just unique. Me just love it. And it a go on, it a go on, it a go on, it a go on. Alright, back to the tune.
I'm gonna take you right there, love for a lifetime. I'm gonna make your life so clear, girl. Gonna make you mine. I'm gonna take you right there, love for a lifetime. I'm gonna make your life so clear. Gonna make you mine.
Why? Cause you need to go step up in game, cause you need to go sing the tune to me, no brother. Play tune.
Why do you call when I'm not feeling you, baby? Why can't you leave or just walk away? When are you going to understand? What sort of things they be telling you? I got to stop them from compelling you, boy. They better.
Rihanna that? At first, sure. I don't know that. No sound like Rihanna to me, brother. Anyway, play it.
Stop, they're not helping you. Don't even try, 'cause I'm not that. You're not the one. Don't waste your time. Bye-bye. Don't you cry. The game is done. I'm gonna tell you right here. Let this be the last time. I'm gonna make it so clear. Boy, you must be out your mind. I'm gonna tell you right here. Let this be the last time. I'm gonna make it so clear. You must be out your mind.
I'm gonna take you there.
Let this be
Pause. What happened? Sizzla start out this song nice. Prophecy in love and no Rihanna talk about me. What you do? Play.
the last time.
I'm gonna make your life so clear.
Boy, you must be out your mind.
I'm gonna take you there.
Let this be the last time.
I'm gonna make your life so clear.
Must be out your mind.
Give me a try, 'cause I know that things will be great.
Don't waste your time. Goodbye. Don't you cry. The game is done.
Pause. Me no get the part where Rihanna sing about. How I do? How Sizzla do you? Cause him there sing love song and you say you must out of your mind. Why you do? Una confuse me. Play.
No, so many experience. Yeah. Gotta solve your problem, man.
That song you confuse me. That song ya confuse me. Because Sizzla they sing bo, Sizzla they professing love. I know Rihanna talk about when do I first me I listen that remix and me confused. Me confused, me not tell no lie. So there you have it guys. Give me a try with Sizzla featuring Rihanna. I first me I listen that remix here, so me see me listen it and hear what it about, but me confused. Me like Sizzla part, but the part with Rihanna me confused. So once again, like, comment, share, subscribe if you not like the vibe. You see me? And me soon again in the next video because we not hate you see it. So once again, it's your girl Anisha. And remember guys, suggestions for video are always welcomed below. When I don't know, thump up the like button, drop them down in the comment section, let me know you see it. So me soon in the next video. Once again, it's your girl Anisha and I'm out.